In this video, I'll show you how to light a gas fireplace. This fireplace is a Vermont Castings gas log fireplace. The first thing I want to do is locate my gas shutoff valve. It's this red valve here. Currently it's in the off position since it's running perpendicular to the gas line. I'm going to turn it to the left and run parallel, which means it's open. Now that the gas is on, I'm going to locate my valve controller. This controller has multiple settings. It has off, pilot, and then low to high. Now I've turned my knob to pilot. I'm going to press it down and I'm going to press the igniter button. You may have to press it up to 15 or 20 times to get it to ignite. Once you see the pilot ignite, continue holding the valve knob down for about 20 seconds to make sure that it's good. When I first lit mine for this season, I had to press the igniter button about 15 times. After holding the valve knob in for about 20 seconds, your pilot light should stay on. Once you see that your pilot will stay lit, now you can take the knob and adjust the flame setting from low to high. You can see I'm turning my gas controller knob from low to high, and it's going to ignite the gas burner. And now my fireplace is lit. To turn the fireplace off, turn your valve knob to the off position until you see the flames go out and confirm that the pilot light is off. Now you can turn your gas shutoff valve to the off position. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.